All right, consistent with a theme of temperature, texture, and dilution, stirring will give you a different kind of temperature, texture, and dilution. So I'm not going to talk about percentages of dilution and stuff like that, but if a drink has all spirit ingredients, like or mostly spirit ingredients, like an old fashioned, martini, Manhattan, Negroni, then that is going to be a stirred drink. And this is just a matter of just universal preference that people will expect these drinks to be stirred, not shaken. So don't listen to James Bond. That's movie stuff. A Vesper would be stirred every single time. So again, we're trying to get some temperature, texture, and dilution, which means we're trying to have some nice big mouth feel, and we have a lot more control over the temperature, texture, and dilution when we stir a drink. And so the drinks aren't going to be as cold, but that's a good thing because colder drinks kind of stifle your ability to sense flavor. So this is about finesse. It's about style. It's about being classy. And when people see you stirring a drink and putting that intensity into that type of preparation, then again, they will start to take you a little bit more seriously. Now, another interesting thing about stirred cocktails is that you have a visual reference at this point. So it's not about feel anymore. It's about you're able to see based on the kind of ice that you have what the wash line is. So make sure that your mixing glass is nice and full of ice. Again, we do ice last. So the process is that you measure the ingredients into the mixing glass, and then you add ice, and then you start stirring. And we're not trying to jostle around the liquid. We're trying to reduce the amount of air bubbles in there because the more air bubbles in there, the less of the thicker, richer texture that you're going to get. So you'll notice a lot of bartenders, they stick the spoon in along the side, and then the bowl of the spoon goes on around the inside of the base of the mixing glass. So we'll go through that in practice, but if it's all booze, then you're going to want to stir it.